Welcome, students. Today you're going to learn to solve equations with distribution on both sides. By the time you're done watching this video, you should be able to apply the distributive property on the left and right side of an equation. The steps to do this, as always, we start by distributing. Then we'll combine like terms on the left side and then on the right side. Once we're done, we'll combine across the equal sign using opposite operations. And finally, we'll solve the remaining two-step equation. Let's look at example 1 together. First, I always separate the two sides. Then, step 1 tells me I distribute. On the left side, I have a 4 to distribute. That will become 4x minus 8. On the right side, I have to distribute that 2, which will become 2x plus 16. Now, I look for like terms on the left side, and there aren't any, and then I look for like terms on the right side. Again, I don't see any, so now I can start combining across the equal sign. I look for my smallest x value. I have 4x and 2x. That tells me I want to move the 2x. I'll subtract 2x from both sides. That will cancel on the right. 4x minus 2x will give me 2x on the left, and negative 8 will drop down, and 16 will drop down on the right side. Then I just have this simple two-step. I'll add 8 to both sides. My 8's will cancel, and I have 2x equals 24. I can divide both sides by 2, and I've figured out x is equal to 12. Now, I want to make sure that I can plug it back in and check to make sure. So, on the left side, 4 times 12 minus 2. If I simplify this, 12 minus 2 gives me 10, so 4 times that would be 40. On the other side, I have 2 times 12 plus 8. Again, simplify my parentheses. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. Since I found the left and the right are equal, I've checked it, and I can move on. Try example 2 on your own. Unpause the video when you're ready to check. Again, separate your two sides. Distribute on the left side. 2 times 4 gives you 8. 2 times negative 5 gives you negative 10x. On the right side, I distribute my negative 3. Negative 3 times positive 2x is negative 6x, and negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Now I combine across the equal sign, since all of my terms are already simplified on the left and on the right side. I see that I can add 10x to both sides. This will cancel on the left, leaving me with just an 8, and that will be equal to positive 4x plus 12. Now, just like before, I want to subtract 12 from both sides, which leaves me with negative 4 equals 4x. I can divide both sides by 4 to get x alone, and x equals negative 1. Again, I would want to plug it back in. If I plug it in on the left, 2 times 4 minus 5 times negative 1 is a negative 5. These will really add the opposite, so I'm looking at 2 times 9, which is 18. On the right side, I have negative 3 times negative 2 minus 4. Negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6 times negative 3, and that will give me positive 18. Since these are equal, I've checked it, and I'm good. Example 3. Again, I'm going to start by separating my two sides. First step is distribute. Distributing my 3 gives me 3x plus 12, and then the positive 4x can just drop down. On the other side, negative 2 times x gives me negative 2x, and negative 2 times negative 10 gives me a positive 20. Then I just drop down that extra 10. Now I need to combine like terms on the left side and the right. On the left side, I see 3x and 4x can go together to give me 7x plus 12. And on the right side, I see that 20 and 10 can go together to give me positive 30. Now I'll add my 2x to start combining like terms across. This gives me 9x plus 12 equals 30. I can subtract 12 from both sides. This gives me 9x equals 18. To get x alone, I have to divide by 9, and I figure out x is equal to 2. Again, I would want to plug it back in. 2 plus 4 would give me 6 right here, and 3 times 6 would give me 18. 2 times 4 would give me 8, so on the left I'm looking at 18 plus 8, which is 26. On the right side, 2 minus 10 would give me negative 8, times negative 2 gives me a positive 16 plus 10, which gives me 26 is equal to 26. So I'm good, I checked it, and I'm ready to move on. Example 4. I want you to pause the video and try this one on your own. Again, start by distributing. 7x minus 21 minus x is what you get on the left side. Distribute your 3 on the right side to get 3x plus 33 plus 3. Now you're going to combine like terms on the left. 7x minus x gives you 6x, and negative 21 can drop down. And on the right side, 3x plus 36. Now I'll start combining across the two sides. I would start by subtracting 3x from both sides. We'll cancel the 3x on the right. 6x minus 3x gives me 3x. Minus 21 can come down, and 36 can come down. Then I'll add 21 to both sides to get 3x is equal to 57. I'll divide both sides by 3, and I figure out x is equal to 19. I could then plug it back in to check my answer and make sure that I was correct. Thanks for watching.